Hello friends, this is Amit from Channel Grow Together. Today I'm going to go over Yahoo Finances, how you can use uh, this platform to get key information about any stock that you are planning to buy or any ETF that you are currently looking to buy into. So first of all, if we look at we will just type in here, for example, for TD Bank, the ticker symbol is TD.TO. And if I click on here, so currently it'll show me down here what is the price for today, and it has dropped or it has increased. So if you want to look here, the previous day close was 75.06. The opening is the same. Today's bid, like if somebody is planning to buy, how much they're offering and how much somebody who's trying to sell is asking for that. And the other key information that you can see here is PE ratio as well. It shows here what is the market cap. It's 136.062 billions. And the next tab that I usually use to look into the stock is if I click on chart, I can see here if I want to see the chart for one day, how much the stock went up and then how much where the price was during the day. If I want to look for year to date, so let's say starting off the year on in January, the price was 72.19 as it shows open, and then uh, for today it's 74.94. If I want to see the maximum, I'll click here and then it'll show me the maximum when this the stock started trading on the stock exchange, and till now what is the price for that. So it's really good information. And if I click on year to date, and let's say for 1 year, for last year, I want to see how much dividend that they have paid per share. So if I hover my mouse onto this D as it says here, so it'll show me that 0.79 was the dividend per share and was paid on uh, 08/04/2020, and the next one it was paid in July as well, and then after that it was paid in October, so which means they pay dividend quarterly. And the next one is conversation, which is really interesting. If you want to see what people say, what they want to do with the stock, what are their opinions, you can check from there. If you want to see these company profile or information about the stock, first of all, you click on profile, and then it shows the what is the name, where they are located, and the sector that they deal in, which is financial services. Industry, it's a bank, and it's a diversified. Full-time employees, they have 60,000. Excuse me. So below that it says key executives who are CEO or how much they are getting paid. I'm not sure how correct that information is, but if you scroll down in description, you can see that it'll say about TD Bank, what they deal in, like finances, investment, cash management, or international trade. And then after, they also mention the brand names that they carry, like they have TD American Most Convenient Bank and TD Ameritrade brand name. So the company operates, the branches that they have is 1085. So basically you can get all the information when they were founded 1855, and their headquarters is in Toronto. So you can get a brief idea what sectors the company operate in and where they are located. The uh, other information, if you want to go into detail, you can check financial information, how much their total revenue or what the cash they have, and then income wise. So you can go in detail as well if you want to go into that information. So if you're planning to buy ETF as well, you can use this. Let's say for an example, xic.to is the ETF I'm planning to buy. So it'll show me xic.to is the symbol, and then the name is iShare Core S&P TSX capped composite index ETF. So if I go down, I'll see the previous close, same as the stock. We were seeing information for TD stock. The other information that we can see is PE as well, but this one will also have an expense ratio, how much they charge to manage the fund. So it's 0.05% for this ETF. And same as the stock, I can go into the chart, I can see where they are right now and what is the price and how low or high they went. So for an example, in March 2020, this stock was 19.65 and now it's 29.31. And here in if I click on like just hover my mouse onto D, it'll show me 0.219 was the dividend that they paid in July, and then after in 0.21 was in September. So they are paying dividend quarterly, and if it's a monthly, you will see D every month and how much they are paying for the dividend. The other information, same as the stock, you can go into profile, and here they have a little bit of information from Morningstar as well, that they what they say about this fund. And fund overview, so net assets, what they have is 7.28 billion. Year to date daily total return is 3.32 and yield is 3.03. The next one, for the ETF, you can see the holdings. So what holdings they have, where they have right now. So sector weighted is basically basic material is 13.27, financial services is 30%, consumer defensive 4.44. So it'll show you how diversified this ETF is and in which sectors they have invested the money. So if you scroll down, we can see top 10 holdings that they have in this ETF. You can see from here. And again, as a fund family is iShares. The net assets, year to date yield, and yield as it says here. I hope this video was informative, and if you have any questions, please comment below. If you have liked the video, please click thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.